This video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to remove the ransomware called Wintz. My video is only for educational purposes. I will show you how damaging this ransomware is, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly protect your files. I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Wintz ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. The ransomware appends a random four-symbol extension to the file names, and it also tells the victims that they supposedly need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. On the other hand, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and then start researching your system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, and so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode of Combo Cleaner. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and after you do that, Combo Cleaner will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. So do not skip this very important step. Wait until it gets successfully updated. And after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Remember that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it helps to remove the ransomware effectively. You can upgrade to Premium and you can request trial in order to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking regarding file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.